I got into computers because of my mother. She is a computer engineer and she was working with several companies as I was growing up. She always was there to answer anything I had to ask. She would show me ways to do things more efficiently already that we weren't necessarily taught in class. She was like, well, when you get out in the real world, this is how they're gonna want you to do it because it's more efficient, uses up less resources. Learning super neat little tricks to remember things as well was very helpful.
When I graduated Auburn, I had intentions of going back and getting my master's as just a personal goal. I didn't want to just stop at a bachelor's. I wanted that master's level just a little bit to help me as I enhance my career. My plan was to actually graduate last summer. And he said, you know, Mom, you could just wait and go to the fall. You know, I thought about it. I said, yeah, I guess I could. And he said, you know, that would mean we graduate together. I thought, okay. And I thought, how do you like that? You know, it's your bachelor's degree. It's your first college degree. He said, it's okay. So that's what we ended up doing. I just decided to postpone and we did it fall.
It was weird only when we started having classes together because on group projects, we were allowed to group up together. So it was kind of weird having your mom also be your group partner in a sense, but it was also helpful because of her experience already in the computer field. So if I got stuck with something, you know, I just piggybacked off her to figure out what I was doing wrong. So this would be a very unique thing just because we'll be on the field together in the caps and gowns together, taking photos and doing the whole ceremony together. So I think it's a really fun thing that not a lot of people get to do.